Everyone, this is Shubh Soni from the team analytics of Bulls vs Bear. Today I am going to analyze US Tech 100 for the monthly, weekly and daily time frame. And if you enjoyed our analysis video, please like video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's get started. Starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see that we just broke this minor structure over here. And we have also a minor impulse correction and impulse pattern over here, where the pattern is yet to mitigate the 50% of the Fibonacci, this minor impulse correction impulse pattern. To see it more clearly, we can go to the line chart and we can see that we have a minor impulse correction impulse pattern over. So impulse correction and impulse pattern over here, which is lining up with 50% of the Fibonacci to the next resistance turn support over here. So we can expect that market can give a correction to the 50% and then after we can follow the order flow by giving a new impulse to the upside. Now we will talk about the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, what we can see that we have just shown an impulse correction impulse pattern over here, and we have also broke the structure from here. So by this, for the current price action, what we expect that to mitigate at least to the 50% of the Fibonacci, or else to mitigate this previously resistance turn support over here, which is lining up with our 50% of the Fibonacci. So we can expect that the market can give a nice pullback to this support and then after we can get a new impulse to the upside. Now we will talk about the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, what we can see that market has just shown a correction, and by given the correction we can see that market is currently giving a reaction to this demand zone over here. So we can expect that if the market is holding this supply zone over here, then we can get a reaction to the downside from here and making a new lower low, or else if the market cannot hold this supply zone, then market can go to the moon and creating new higher high from directly from here. If the market will hold this supply zone, then market can give a nice pullback to this previously resistance turn support over here and to another demand zone over here. So market can, if the supply will hold from here, we can expect that to mitigate this support zone or demand zone or to this demand zone and giving a nice impulse to the upside in the following days. And if you enjoyed our analysis video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and peace out.